All right, guys, I am back with another video. Now, this video right here is a DIY. I'm kind of redoing my wall. I had my neighbor come down and put me up some shelves for my business, and that's my desk right there. So, all I have to do is go up here, wipe these down, and I think I'm going to stain them the color of the desk because even the wood up under my table is the color of my desk. So I think to have all of that flow, let me back up some more. Have all that flow, flowing around. That I think that'll be real good. I think that will match perfectly. Yes. My style is kind of changing up a little bit. I'm going to do a video, guys, real soon. Get to know me. So if you guys want to ask any questions about me, feel free and I will try my best to answer them. But this is a DIY I wanted to share with you guys because what I'm going to do is go in and wipe these off. Then I will stain them and come back and show you guys what they look like. Didn't my neighbor do a nice job for me? Yes, he did. That way I can put all my journals up there. That's going to be for sale. And basically that's my desk where I usually do all my business at and everything. I just have, everything on my bigger table here, sitting on my bigger table here while I do this. So I'm excited about the shelves. They really, really look good. So stay tuned, guys. I am going to wipe these off. And then as soon as I get done staining them, I will come back and show you guys what they look like. Oh, but first I got to give an honor to my Father in heaven, because without him, none of this is possible. And I hope all you guys are being blessed and highly favored out there. So stay tuned, guys. I will be right back. Okay, guys, I went and got the stain that I'm going to go in. I wanted to come back and show you. I'm going to use red mahogany. That is 225. I do like the color. It has a little red tint in it. I'm going to shake this up really, really well. And here, I still have to cover up that, so I may put some stain right here. This is on my desk. Basically, two colors match. That's a nice match there. So I got my plastic gloves, my stain, and I'm going to wipe these down like I said earlier, and then I'm going to stain them and come back and show you guys the results. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back. I told you when I get done staining the shelves, I would come back and show you guys what they look like. So basically, this is what they look like. I love it. I did use the red mahogany on that. It matched the desk, guys. Perfect. I'm loving the color. And then the legs up under my table is the same color as the shelves and my desk right there. So up top, I put that's a canvas that I DIY'd. And that is, let me see, can I get a little closer where you guys can see it? That is the 10 Commandments. The lighting, you can't see it that well. That's the 10 Commandments that I kind of aged the paper with some coffee dye and made that. So I kind of put all my journals up here. Well, that's not all of them. I still got to go back and dig some more out. So the top shelf is going to be filled with all of my junk journals, and the bottom half of the shelf, I can basically do what I want to do with it, and that way I can, as my sales come in for my shop, I can have them sitting here up on a shelf. I know what I got and I know what's going to be going out, and I know what I have to make. So this is how it came out, guys. It came out better than I imagined it. Yes, it did. I love it. My neighbor did a great job. Shout out to you, neighbor. Love you for it. Thank you once again. Yes, so yes, this is any journals up here. If you guys want to see a flip through of them, I will show you. Just let me know because I know I haven't showed a couple of these. So yeah, I'm liking how it turned out. And excuse me. And that's my little desk, you know, I got from a neighbor out here where I live at because I live in the country. They were gonna just toss it. I said, no, 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 I can use that. I can do something with that. So the middle part right there, I just have to go get some wood, stain it, and put a a knob on it or something, and glue that in or make a drawer. That's the only thing missing on this desk. This desk is very high quality wood, and I was like, I know they ain't throwing that away. But hey, ain't no shame in my game, and I'm not embarrassed to, get help or someone gives me something that is really, really nice. So this is the outcome of it, guys. Tell me what you think. Put it down in the comment box and let me know. So I will connect with you guys in my next video. Keep your head up, keep the faith, and stay safe, guys. Love you guys. Bye-bye.